If you're installing a fence and wondering how much concrete you actually need per post, I'm going to give you a straight answer, and also the mistake I see people make all the time. For most standard fence posts, you're typically looking at about 1 to 2 bags of concrete per post. Now, that also depends on the size of the bag you're using. Here at Natural Beauty Fence, we use 80-pound bags of concrete, and in most standard applications, 1 bag per post is usually sufficient. If you're using smaller bags, like 50 or 60 pound bags, you'll need more bags of concrete to achieve the same result. Now that's based on standard hole size, usually around 8 to 10 inches in diameter and about 2 to 3 feet deep, depending on your area. For example, on a typical vinyl fence installation, we're almost always in that 1 to 2 bag range per post. Now there are a couple of situations where that changes. If you're installing a chain link fence, you might get away with a little less concrete per post, but if you're setting a gate post, that's where you need more, usually 2 to 3 bags, sometimes even more depending on the size and type of gate. The gate post is taking on a lot more stress, so you want to make sure it's properly supported. Now when it comes to vinyl fence gates specifically, we actually take it a step further. Not only are we setting the post in concrete, but we're also adding concrete inside the post itself. That gives the post a lot more strength and helps prevent sagging over time, especially since gate posts take the most abuse on the entire fence. Now here's the part most people get wrong. It's not just about how many bags of concrete you use, it's about how the post is set. If your hole isn't deep enough or the post isn't properly positioned and supported while the concrete sets, it doesn't matter how much concrete you use, you're still going to run into issues down the line. So as a general rule of thumb, 1 to 2 bags for standard posts and more for gate posts, depending on the load. If you get this part right, your fence is going to last a lot longer and give you a lot fewer problems over time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Now, if you want to see step-by-step how to install a fence post, check out the tutorial attached on your screen. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.